This is unreal. I don't even know what to say. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas here every day for me, especially when something like this happens. We ordered these a while back, and I had no idea they were all going to show up like this. These are the new Gibson Custom Shop Murphy Lab. So these are aged 59. I mean, this is ridiculous. 59 Les Paul, Iced Tea Burst, heavy aged 59 Les Paul, Sunrise Tea Burst, 59 Cherry Tea Burst, Green Lemon Fade, Kindred Burst, 59 Lemon Burst, Factory Burst, oh, and a Junior, TV Yellow. These are all aged, different levels of aging that Gibson just did. And we got to check one of these bad boys out. Okay, so first of all, look at this case. Even the case is totally aged. Latches, a little rusty. I mean, I had not expected that, but that is pretty damn awesome. Look at this thing. And here we go. Woo-wee. Look at that. Oh man. I think that is the finest Les Paul I have ever seen. And what's cool is they're different aging. So this one's a heavier aged. They have different, and it's just, I mean, you would not know. That is just crazy how cool that looks. I think that's the best aging I've ever seen. So that's it. We've got about 8 of these in stock right now. We are going to open them all up, check out all the different finishes. These are amazing. I highly recommend you come down and check them out. And great job, Gibson. Beautiful guitar.